Good morning, class. I'm Mrs. Welsh. I'm going to be your fitness and wellness instructor. For the first 2 weeks, we are going to be on Zoom, or actually it's recorded, so it's asynchronous. And what I'm expecting is that you'll check in for this week and next week. You'll watch the video and take the quiz. And this week, I do want you to read the syllabus. So I think it's important that you are reading the syllabus and you are aware of what's ahead. So starting on February 4th, we will get into our regular routine of being in class. Now, I haven't taught in class for the last couple of semesters, as you've been on Zoom with a majority of your programs, but here we are back in class, and I'm hoping nothing changes between now and February 4th. So take your quiz. It's actually not a quiz, it's just a little questionnaire so that I can get to know you and see what your interests are, and then we can move forward with learning about fitness and wellness, and just learning some things that you can take out into the world and apply to your life and maybe to your family's life. I just want you to stay healthy and well, and if you have any questions, I do have office hours, but I am on campus majority of the time, but I am accessible through email anytime you need my help. So reach out if need be, take a look at the syllabus, look at the quiz questionnaire, and let me know if there's anything that you need. We'll get into the book and some of the reading and some of the information, but we're just going to have a really good semester, and it is a 1-credit course, so I will treat it as that as such, just because I know that your majors, as far as your programs, are very, very important, and your other gen eds are a little demanding at times. So have a great day, have a great weekend, and I will be back on video next week. Thank you, and have a great day.